Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add backup camera to a BMW 320 8i. That's where we put the camera. We use our lip mount camera. We use our MBT interface to do the camera. So that's the factory screen. By going to reverse, screen shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guideline, and by going to reverse, as you can see, the sensors, they show on the screen too. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.